Hello, IELTS candidates, and welcome to our IELTS Secrets podcast. Today, an IELTS candidate will be answering the examiner's questions about clothes. Firstly, you will see the examiner's question. Then you will see the student's response. Finally, you will see an improved version that could help the student achieve a higher speaking score in the exam. When you see the improved version, ask yourself, why is the second response better than the original? Let's get started.
What type of clothes do you like?
Well, it's a good question because I don't look forward that thing of usually things that I can buy, but I guess that I just want sport things like what I do is activities or dance. And I think that a short or maybe a t-shirt but like to sport or to fit things.
Well, that's a good question. I don't usually prioritize specific items, but I tend to prefer sports clothes because of the activities I do, like dancing. I think I would prefer shorts or a t-shirt that is sporty or fits well.
And how do people choose what style of clothing to buy?
I guess that some people just want that kind of clothes best enough what activities they do. Like something that I can tell you is. And other people want to buy like clothes for fashion models or to go to a cinema. I don't think that it's relevant.
I believe some people choose clothes based on the activities they engage in. For example, and some people prefer to buy clothes that are in fashion or to wear when going to the cinema. Personally, I don't find it relevant.
And why do you think some people buy brand name clothes? Why do you think it is important to them?
It's important more often because the social medias, I think that the people can usually go for it because they want to express themselves basing on that social media and that kind of statistic that.
Well, it's often important because of social media influence. People may buy brand name clothes to express themselves based on social media trends and statistics.
Aren't there any other ways to express yourself other than wearing fashionable clothes?
Yes, they can also go to access services or that made of things that can just buy jewelry or glasses, I don't think.
Yes, people can also express themselves through accessories like jewelry or glasses, I believe.
Sometimes factory workers and school students have to wear uniforms. Do you think uniforms are necessary?
By the that you manage, you can go forward to that uniforms because by my age or by my area that I can go for it, I just don't use that uniforms but yes, I can pattern or some models that I can use.
Depending on how you manage it, uniforms can be appropriate. In my age group and area, I don't wear a uniform, but I can see the benefit of having standardized patterns or models for them.
And do you think that is a good idea to follow foreign fashion trends?
Okay. Well, I don't think so because the fashion models or the foreign fashion frenzy you tell, it's always changed and it is not a good idea to follow that kind of things that it's just in the present and in the future, you don't know if it going to past.
Well, I don't think so because foreign fashion trends are constantly changing. It's not advisable to follow trends that come and go and may not last into the future.
Ask yourself the following question. Why is the second response better than the first? Would you like an IELTS expert to evaluate and correct your speaking responses? Remember, it's through your dedicated practice that you can perfect your skills. So keep practicing and see the difference it makes in your performance. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Feel free to visit our website for comprehensive support and guidance. We're here to help you succeed in your IELTS examination. Best of luck.